Good morning, students. I am Professor Devasi Sota going to teach about measurement of inductance by Maxwell's inductance bridge. As shown in figure, there are four voltages like E1, E2, E3 and E4. Four resistances R1, R2, R3, R4. There are two inductances also connected with R1, R2. They are L1, L2. Detector is used in AC galvanometer, headphones, tuned amplifier. Current through detector is 0. This bridge measures an inductance by comparison with a variable standard self-inductance. R1 is unknown resistance, L1 unknown inductance, L2 variable inductance, R2 variable resistance, R3 and R4 are non-inductive resistances. As before we have discussed, at balanced condition Z1 Z4 is equal to Z2 Z3, where Z1 is R1 plus J XL1 or is equal to R1 plus J omega L1, Z2 is equal to R2 plus J omega L2, Z3 is equal to R3 and Z4 is equal to R4. Compare real parts or comparison between real and imaginary terms, we can get simplifying R1 R4 is equal to R2 R3. Imaginary terms gives us L1 is equal to R2 R3 by R4. Here quality factor is equal to omega L1 by R1 is equal to omega L2 by R2. This is also known as Maxwell's RL bridge. Advantages are equations are simple, balanced equations are independent of frequency, whereas disadvantage like variable inductor is always costly, and in this case large Q factor needs large value of inductance, so it's suitable for low quality factor. Maxwell's LC bridge can also be used to find out self-inductance. In this case, along with resistance, inductance and capacitance is connected in AC bridge. In this case, it cannot be used for high quality factor. Another popular method is application of Hay bridge, AC bridge, popularly known as RLC bridge. As shown in figure, you can see E1, E2, E3, E4. Similarly, R1, R2, R3, R4 are two resistances, four resistances. L1 is inductance, C4 as shown in figure in series with R4. It's like a modification of Maxwell's bridge, where R1 is unknown resistance, L1 is unknown inductance, R2, R3, R4 as known non-inductive resistances, whereas C4 is a standard capacitor. In this case also, Z1, Z4 is equal to Z2, Z3. Comparing both sides with real and imaginary terms, we can get L1 and R1 as written. Quality factor is equal to omega L1 by R1 is equal to 1 by omega C4 R4. The advantages of Hay bridge are it's cheaper while using fixed capacitor. It can be used for higher quality factor, but there are some disadvantages like equations are complicated. It cannot measure low power, low quality factor, and balanced equation are dependent on frequency. Thank you for watching me. Watch my next video. Do revision. Thank you.